Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Remember this? This is one of those motors that showed up that needed repair. And I got this up and running, of course. It actually runs quite well. And I was thinking, would it fit in this shell? So I pulled off the rear truck. The front one, of course, is mounted with a piece of wood. But you put this thing together, these covers that I have on that other truck will fit this motor. So it looks like I could just motorize the shell, leave the front truck where it is, put the covers on the motor, and it would look like a factory locomotive. No doubt about that. So rather than turning it into rolling stock, I'm going to turn it into a locomotive. As you see, it sure looks like it would work. Body sitting on there kind of tweaked right now, but anyway, all I've got to do is drill a hole for that motor, just to focus, which looks like it would be right about there. Very close to there anyway. In any case, I'm going to give it a shot, see what I can do with this. If I can get this to fit, I'll go ahead and motorize this shell. Just put the covers off these trucks on this motor, the same size. They should fit perfectly. All right, anyway, just wanted to do a quick video and see what happens. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.